Hi guys, I'm going to show you on how to fill up your sales invoice. Okay, this is an online shop invoice. Right, so here's your date, and then here's your tagging, and then that's the registered name. So I chose various customers, and then items or description. You have your product there, the quantity or the pairs, and then the unit cost and the amount. So for total sales, it's the not discounted amount, and then you have to deduct and put here the discounted amount. Here is your gross net income, because this one is the gross. So total amount too. So and then you have to sign here. Okay, that's how it looks like. And okay, the structure for this one, you have to follow the series of the numbers. You might not skip even one leaflet kasi that's where your series will get broken, and then you have to redo all of the series again. Like for example, if I have written incorrectly here, it's not legible writing, so like that. Ayan. It should be sunod-sunod, because yeah, if it's not on a series of numbers indicated on the receipt and based on the BIR record, so it's now a problem because you have to redo it again. I mean, you have to erase all of those nakasunod na series pa, para lang just to align ulit. Kasi if ever magkamali ka in between, for example here, so I've written like the date, you skip one date, so you have to cancel the first one, the percent one, kasi anything na mali doon sa receipt, kunwari nagkamali ka dito, so just need to stamp here or write here canceled, and then you have to redo it again, same date. Pero kung hindi naman, it's okay lang, just be careful, so no room for mistakes here. And also piece of advice, you have to write legible, like this lang naman, it's okay, but no erasures. It should be important na walang erasures. It should be readable, and also if it's indicated on your business income report, but you downloaded monthly sa